We do site development, road building, lake digging, site subdivision building. We use Komatsu Smart Construction to handle our dozers. Our dozers are all GPS run. Smart Construction is a remote operation, so I can log into a dozer, see their whole screen. I can change models, I can pull off as-builts, I can look at exactly what the dozer operator's doing. If an engineer makes a change or sends over new plans, I can change it within an hour, and all I do is log into the dozers on my computer and send the file that I updated right to them. So this way I get it, I change the model, I log into all three machines at one time, say upload, 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 and they all have it within a matter of minutes. Having those changes quickly eliminates errors. So if you're not building something wrong and having to go back and redo it, it's one time it's done, it's already changed before they even get to the spot. But I don't have to go to the job site, and I don't have to fight traffic to get there. You know, it's a time saver. So if guys have problems, you know, and in all models there's always a tweak or there's something that doesn't come out quite right way it should do, and that they see it, and I don't know exactly where they're talking about it when they're calling me on the phone, they could say log in and look at where I'm at. It pulls up the screen that the guys are looking at in the dozer. Whatever they're looking at on their little monitor, you know, as far as the cross section, or they're looking at a view from a top, you know, with contours, I see exactly what they're seeing. So it's a mirror of what they see, and if I need to change something, the same buttons that they have, I have access to. So if anything goes wrong, I can go in there and manipulate it, change it, make it work right. Or if there's a new control, you know, I can go in there and give them new control. It's like being right in front of them or right in the cab with them. When we log into like excavators, as they're digging, they dig topo shots. They know exactly where they've dug. They can see it on their screens, where the points that they took shots from, so they know they dug there. So at the end, we pull that information in. It takes 15 minutes to download, do a quick volume check, and they can bill them for exactly what they dug, because they did it as they were digging. They're not coming back a week later and topoing it and figuring out a volume and it may have silted in 2 or 3 feet. You know, we know exactly what was dug, and we can give it to the developer and say, hey, this is what we dug. You know, so if they say you didn't dig deep enough, we can show them what exactly they dug. This can go on any TopCon system on a machine. Even if it's a John Deere excavator with a TopCon machine, it still will log into it and let me do the things I need to do with it, you know, and change things, give them new models, pull information off, put information on. It still will log into it. So it has the capability of doing both those machines. My Komatsu dealer support it's amazing. Every time I call him, he comes out without question. You know, if I have a problem that I don't quite understand, or it's doing something weird, he'll come, or he'll log into it and tell me what he needs to do.